Have you ever noticed how two people can earn the same money, work similar hours, but one always feels behind, stressed, barely breathing, while the other seems calm, prepared, and quietly winning? It's not luck, it's not intelligence, and it's definitely not motivation. It's money habits. And in 2026, the gap between broke and wealthy thinkers is getting wider fast. Today, I'm breaking down 6 money habits that instantly separate the two. No fluff, no lectures, just real shifts you can actually make. Let's get into it. Habit 1. Broke thinkers ask, how much does it cost? Wealthy thinkers ask, what does this return? This one sounds small, but it changes everything. Broke thinking stops at the price tag. Can I afford this? This is too expensive. I'll wait. Wealthy thinking zooms out. What does this give me back? Time, skills, energy, opportunities. A $200 course that helps you earn $2,000 isn't expensive. A $50 subscription you never use is. In 2026, information is everywhere, but applied knowledge is rare. Before buying anything, ask one question tonight. Will this make my life easier, better, or more valuable in the next 12 months? If the answer is no, skip it. Habit 2. Broke thinkers avoid money discomfort. Wealthy thinkers face it early. Most people don't struggle with money because they're bad at math. They struggle because they avoid looking at it. They don't check balances. They don't track spending. They don't open emails from banks. Not because they don't care, but because it makes them anxious. Wealthy thinkers do the opposite. They look, even when it's uncomfortable, because clarity beats anxiety every time. In 2026, ignoring your finances is like ignoring your health. It compounds quietly until it explodes. Set a 15-minute money check-in once a week. No judgment, no shame, just facts. You don't fix what you don't face. Habit 3. Broke thinkers wait for motivation. Wealthy thinkers build systems. This one hits hard. Broke thinkers say, I'll start saving when I make more. I'll invest when I feel ready. I'll budget when life calms down. Wealthy thinkers don't rely on motivation. They automate. Savings auto-transfer. Investments auto-deposit. Bills auto-pay. Because motivation is emotional, systems are reliable. In 2026, automation is a superpower. Use it. Action step. Automate one thing this week, even $25 into savings or investing. Small systems beat big intentions. Habit 4. Broke thinkers trade time for money forever. Wealthy thinkers look for leverage. Let's be real, most of us start by trading time for money. That's normal. The difference, broke thinkers stay there. Wealthy thinkers look for leverage. Leverage means skills that scale, content that works while you sleep, investments that grow without hourly effort. In 2026, leverage isn't optional, it's survival. This doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow, it means building something on the side. Ask yourself, what skill could I build this year that pays me more per hour or not per hour at all? Start small, learn consistently. Habit 5. Broke thinkers spend to feel better. Wealthy thinkers spend to feel freer. This one's emotional. Broke spending is often therapy. New clothes, new gadgets, quick dopamine. It feels good until the bill shows up. Wealthy thinkers flip the goal. They don't ask, will this make me happy today? They ask, will this give me freedom later? Freedom from stress, freedom from panic, freedom to say no. In 2026, peace of mind is the new luxury. Action step. Next time you're about to impulse buy, pause for 24 hours. If you still want it, fine. If not, you just saved future stress. Habit 6. Broke thinkers see money as fixed. Wealthy thinkers see money as learnable. This might be the most important one. Broke thinkers believe, I'm just not good with money. I wasn't taught this. It's too late for me. Wealthy thinkers believe money is a skill, and skills can be learned. They read, they listen, they improve 1% at a time. In 2026, financial literacy is no longer optional. It's a life skill. Action step: commit to learning about money 10 minutes a day. One video, one article, one concept. That's it.